These three things allowed me to 10x my close rate with freelancing. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video and welcome back to the channel where we're going to dive in to all things freelancing and just help you up your game. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if this video helps you, please like the video, comment if you have any questions, but let's just dive straight into it. Today I'm sharing three different strategies that allowed me to literally 10x my close rate by freelancing or with freelancing. And yeah, you heard that right. 10x my close rate freelancing with these three different strategies. As someone who's closed over almost $1 million worth of deals over the past 2 years, I've picked up countless learning that can help you skyrocket your close rate. But these three are by far the most effective. Number one, without further ado, is mastering your pitch. Your pitch is your first impression, and you only get one shot at that. I learned that a compelling, well-structured pitch can make all the difference. So here's what I did. Instead of generic proposals, I actually tailored my pitch to every prospect individually and made sure that they were all custom. I researched every prospect business, their pain points, and explained how my skill set could specifically help them. I highlighted my past successes as well and included testimonials to boost my credibility and increase trust. Remember, it's not about what you just can do, it's about what you can do for them specifically. This personalized approach shows that I can actually help specific clients solve their problems or actually take care of their problems, and it works wonders. Number two is building a strong portfolio. Your portfolio is proof of expertise. It should show just your best work and demonstrate the value that you can bring to clients. I made sure my portfolio was not only just visually appealing, but also had included detailed case studies. This is very important. I showed the problem I tackled, the solution I provided, and the results I achieved. For example, if you're a graphic designer or build landing pages or websites, show a before and after of your work. Super easy. Show how bad it looks before and now show how good it looks after your work. Easy as. Clients want to see what you've accomplished, so make sure your portfolio actually tells the story effectively. I tell my students this all the time, especially ones that have visual services like landing pages. This shows a potential client exactly what you're capable of the moment they see your services. Finally, number three is excellent communication. And listen to me on this one. Communication is key when it comes to freelancing, and it's often what sets successful freelancers apart from the ones that fail. From the initial contact to the project delivery, being clear, responsive, and professional can significantly increase your close rate. I start by setting clear expectations from the get-go, outlining the scope, deadlines, timelines, and payment terms. During the project, then, when I actually take them on, I keep them updated every single step of the way. Quick update here, quick update here. This is how it's going, this is how that's going. And this communication in itself builds so much trust and will actually lead to so much more business through referrals. Good communication shows you're reliable and shows you're committed to actually getting results for that client. So they're the three things that helps me 10x my close rate as a freelancer. Now, if you want to actually dive in further of all these and actually build yourself and build your own journey and become a well-paid and high-ticket freelancer, check the link below. Look at the playbook, the freelancer's playbook. This will guide you step by step on how to start freelancing through social media and building your personal brand. It's got everything that you need. So check that out in the link below. I'll see you in the next video. Again, remember to subscribe. Ask me any questions in the comments and I'll help you there. Take care. Talk soon.